happy and excited? For what? Cookery show. So, do you know what are they going to make? What is that? Caramel pudding.
We're going to do a cookery show. So you can see the cookery show and caramel pudding. Alright, so let's see how to make caramel pudding, children. Alright, that's good. Find the grass and put it in a bowl. Okay? Then we need to put some drop of water, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Look at that, the caramel. Yeah. Put again little sugar. So we're going to put sugar, 500 gram sugar. Okay. Then next. Can someone add sugar, please? Add little sugar, little by little. Keep adding it. Okay. Can someone pour some milk? Love it. Okay. Someone can stir it. Stir it. Come on. Give it. Keep pouring some milk. Some more milk. Yes, come on. Okay, you can help your mama doing mixing. Okay? And do you know what is this? What is this? No, not food color. Someone told you. No. Come. Drops of vanilla essence. Just 2 drops. Little bit. And we're going to mix it again. Okay, so you can see. Get it? Then we have to keep it at the stove and stir it until it gets boiled. Wow, look at that. Oh, yummy.